In this video, we are going to solve problem based on static error constants and steady state error. The actual given problem is for servo mechanisms with open loop transfer function given below. So these three are the open loop transfer functions. Explain what type of input signal gives rise to a constant steady state error and calculate their values. From the given three set of open loop transfer functions, so first required thing is we have to find the constant steady state error for a particular type number system, and finally steady state error for A. So now we can assume, actually from this we know, actually this is A, we know how to find the type number for a system. For an open loop system, in the denominator, the poles which are origin, the pole which are origin decides the type. So this pole is origin pole because s value equal to 0. So its power s power n. So here n value equal to 1. Therefore, the given problem is a type 1 system. We know for type 1 system, according to the basic definitions and derivations, type 0 system will give positional error constant value. Type 1 system will give velocity error constant value. Type 2 system will give acceleration error constant as constant value. So according to these three concepts, this is a type 1 system. Therefore, so according to the given problem, explain what type of input signal gives rise to a constant steady state error. Actually, for type 1 system, velocity error will give the velocity error constant will give the constant value. Therefore, kv velocity error constant equal to limit s tends to 0 s into g of s into h of s. So now we can assume h of s equal to 1. It means feedback equal to 1. Therefore, kv equal to limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So now limit s tends to 0 s into g of s value equal to 20 into s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 3. So now this s will get cancel each other. So now we have to substitute s equal to 0. If we substitute here 20 into 2 divided by 1 into 3. So we will get 60 divided by 3. Therefore 20. So now kv equal to 20. So after that we have to calculate steady state error also. So we know steady state error formula equal to 1 divided by kv. So this is the formula for from velocity error constant to calculate steady state error. This is the formula. By substituting 20 here, we will get, actually here 0 means 2 into 20. This will become 40. Therefore, sorry, here this is 20 into 2, 40. Therefore, final answer is 40 divided by 3. So velocity error equal to 40 divided by 3. So here it will become 40 divided by 3. Therefore 3 divided by 40. So we will get 0.075. So finally, so from this, velocity error constant equal to 40 divided by 3 and steady state error equal to 0.075. This is the required thing for first given data. So now we are going to solve the same thing for second system gain and also third open loop system gain. From the given open loop system gain, so we can find the type number. So actually here we already know in the new denominator side s power, the poles which are lie on the origin. So here there is no pole which are lie on the origin. Therefore s power 0. So here this given system is type 0 system. So we already know for type 0 system, positional error will give the constant value. Therefore, we have to consider positional error here. Limit s tends to 0 G of s into h of s is the positional error constant equation. So here we have to consider it is a unity feedback system. Therefore, it will become Kp equal to limit s tends to 0 G of s into G of s. So h of s value 1. Therefore, limit s tends to 0 into G of s. So here G of s is limit s tends to 0 10 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. So now we have to substitute s equal to 0. Therefore, this will become 10 divided by 2 into 3. Now 10 divided by 6. So 5 divided by 3. So this after simplifying this we will get 5 divided by 3. So we know steady state error equation. So from the positional error constant to calculate steady state error, the formula to be used is 1 by 1 plus Kp. This is the formula to calculate steady state error from positional error constant. So now we have to substitute Kp value here. 1 divided by 1 plus 5 divided by 3. So now this will become 3 after taking LCM 3 plus 5. So 3 divided by 8. Its value equal to 0.375. So from this required things are Kp equal to 5 divided by 3 and with steady state error equal to 0.375. So this is from the given problem, it is a type 0 system. Therefore, for type 0 system only positional error will give constant value and its steady state error also constant value. Velocity error constant and its steady state error. Acceleration error constant and its steady state error for type 0 system will give either 0 value or infinity value. But according to the given problem, we have to consider the error constant which will give the constant value. So that we use the positional error constant for type 0 system. So for third open loop system, here s value equal to 2. Therefore, it is a type 2 system. We know for type 2 system only acceleration error constant will give the constant error. Other two, positional error constant and velocity error constant will give either 0 as its value or infinity as its value. But according to the required or given problem, we have to get constant error constant and also steady state error. For type 2 system only acceleration error will give the constant value. Therefore, limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s into h of s is its formula. We know already h of s equal to 1. We consider its gain is 1. Therefore, limit s tends to 0 s square into the given open loop gain is s square into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So this square and this square will get cancel each other. Therefore, it will become limit s tends to 0 10 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2. So now we have to substitute s value here. Therefore, 10 divided by 1 into 3. So therefore 10 divided by 3. So now Ka value. So we know steady state error for acceleration error constant equal to 1 by Ka. So here Ka value equal to 10 by 3. Therefore, it will become 3 by 10. So here 1 into 2. Therefore, 1 into 2 is 2. So 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 equal to 0.2. So now we calculated the required acceleration error constant. It is a constant value 5 and its steady state error also constant value. Its value is 0.2. So we calculated the corresponding constant error constant and also its steady state value for all three given open loop systems.